The homeless camp in downtown Tucson seems to be getting bigger by the day. That as the city waits for a ruling tomorrow on changes it requested.
Meantime, several legal experts say the city could have done a lot more by now. Here's News 4 Tucson investigator Matthew Schwartz.
While a homeless man plays guitar, some city leaders are burning mad about the growing homeless camp downtown. They apparently believe they can't do anything about it because of a federal court order.
However, several legal experts have told the News 4 Tucson investigators that the city has misinterpreted this ruling. They say the city could order police to remove homeless people and their property from several sidewalks downtown.
Judge David Burry stated in his ruling the preliminary injunction applies only to the sidewalk which runs from Broadway to Congress and borders the park adjacent to Church Avenue. However, pods and tents are on the sidewalk on Congress Street across from the park, and on Church across from the park, and farther south on Church in front of the convention center.
Those aren't areas covered by the preliminary injunction.
Bates Butler is a former U.S. attorney and has been practicing law for 46 years. He's one of several lawyers who told us that the city would be within its rights to remove people and property from here, and from here.
To me, it's clear that the court was only talking about the sidewalk from Congress to Broadway that is immediately east of the park.
City Attorney Mike Rankin declined an on-camera interview. On the phone, he said the key words in the injunction are public sidewalk and in the relevant ordinance obstructing. He said the city is allowing homeless people and their property on all the area sidewalks as long as there's a 5-foot wide path as the ruling stipulated, because he believes removing them could expose the city and police to liability.
I don't think it exposes them or the officers to a lawsuit that they would lose if they confine their activity to areas that were not covered by the judge's order.
I think it would be wrong to jump in front of Burry's ruling.
Councilman Steve Kozaczek has proposed an urban camping ban and is critical of the homeless group's leaders.
It's clearly that these guys have pushed the envelope too far. They've kind of overstepped overplayed their own hand.
This could be, as lawyers and judges say, a moot point soon, because Judge Burry is scheduled to rule tomorrow on the city's motion to clarify his December ruling. The city hopes the ruling will allow police to immediately remove oversized items it says obstruct the sidewalks. Whether to remove the homeless people is another issue that remains unsolved. If you have a story you'd like us to investigate, email us at investigators@KVOA.com or call 955-4444. Investigating for you, Matthew Schwartz, News 4 Tucson.